so last weekend we went to Speed Machine and unfortunately I got really burnt, but I did a lot of promo work there, so that was really fun. But today we're on our way to Missile Madness, and because I woke up so early, we've just got some Weetabix drinks there. They are actually really nice. But apparently this day's just a hangout day where we just get to, well, Missile Madness. Just get to send the cars around the track, have some fun, get some tandems in. See you there. Alright guys, so we're here at Birmingham Wheels Raceway. There's only a few cars here at the minute. It should be a really good day. So we've got to do all the checks on the car. Just try the oil first. So look, just wipe that clean. And then again, give it a bit of a twirl I like to. Yeah, looking good on that. Let's pop that back in. And then let's try the water. Let's see. Good there. Now we're just gonna change these wheels because these are dead, like as you can see here. They are absolutely hammered. So yeah, let's change those.
You can't just say you're sorry now.
Guys, we're at Missile Madness. I think that just about explains everything. Half of it doesn't, because I'm not on track and my car is there. Which means, unfortunately, something's wrong with it. So my steering has been all jiggly all the time, and my steering it's got a bit of play in it. Let me show you that now. So I'm going to wiggle the steering wheel and you guys can just see. So you might have been able to see that I moved a little bit, but not that much. So unfortunately we're just going to have to get Dan, the mechanic from Mastermind Motorsport, to come and have a look at it. He's going to be up in a bit. So meanwhile we're just going to make ourselves some lunch. It's now 20 to 2 and I've had a great day drifting so far, but unfortunately the ball joints in my steering have gone. They've been wearing away for a long time and my steering keeps shaking. So we're going to Euro Parts now to get a new one. But apart from that, it's been a great day so far. Got some new tyres on, so the track was really quick. So hopefully later on we might get some skids in. See you then. Alright guys, so we've just been to get that part from Euro Parts. I'm going to do a mini unboxing type thing for this ball joint. So let's just open this up here. Here we go. And here it is. So let's get a quick look at that. Because I was useless over there at the garage, I'm just now walking up to track so I can watch, so you guys can see some clips of other people drifting. We've got Zane up here, we've got Tom, but Tom's brakes unfortunately broke whilst he was drifting, but he was fine luckily. So do you know earlier when I said the joint is really worn? It is properly worn. Like, let me show you this. That is properly gone. Properly gone. It's completely dead. So I'll see you guys probably at the top track. platform to roll the clip. Alright guys, so Danielle was my first instructor when I first came to Prodrift, and now seeing as I've done so much more since I've taken her last out, we're going to see how it is. So you know this is called missile madness, and missiles are for smashing up. So unfortunately I went into a wall, got a little bit of damage on my wheels, got some tie rods are bent, and I got out my backlight. But all of that is still working, so that's pretty good. I'm just going to get the tie rods tomorrow, get my car fixed up and do another day. So see you guys then.